Hey guys, I'm coming to you bright and early in the morning. I literally just woke up. King is still sleeping. You can hear his sleep music. The reason is because I spent yesterday doing King and Jesse's hair. Not like all day, but you know. So today is about getting me back together, and I'm gonna be I got some conditioner. I'm gonna be co-washing and then using the conditioner, and then I'm gonna style my hair, and I'm gonna try and get this video up today because it's Sunday and this is my self-care Sunday, so I'm hoping to get it up by today. So I'm gonna start nice and early. So yeah, my friend asked me to start doing more hair videos for my hair for inspiration for her, so that's what I'm gonna do. I hope you enjoy. So my hair has literally just been sitting up in this t-shirt, what I call hair towels. That's what I use, old t-shirts as my hair towels, since I washed it. And now I'm getting ready to do it. So it's still damp. I definitely can feel that it's still wet. Oh, it smells good. That's the only thing I kind of like about actually using store-bought products. So I actually got the leave-in of this brand, which is Odele. So I have their shampoo, co-wash, conditioner, and now leave-in conditioner. And I used it on Jesse's hair last night. I just find I really like the scent because it's all, it's no synthetic fragrances in these, and it just smells so fresh and subtle. And I'm feeling it. I'm liking it. My hair is feeling really soft, I will say that. Cause I think I told you before, I wasn't using conditioner for a long time, and I don't know why. I guess because I just didn't feel like there was a brand out there that I felt good about, you know what I mean? But no, my hair is feeling so much nicer than if, I just washed it and left it alone. I didn't do any deep conditioner. I didn't leave the conditioner in and sit with a bag or nothing like that. But I kind of feel like maybe I won't do that on the weeks that I co-wash. I don't know. Maybe it's not as harsh as a regular shampoo. I'm not really sure. This is my first time, but it's looking clean. It's feeling clean, you know what I mean? So I can dig it. I think today I'm gonna detangle it, and then I'm gonna do probably 2 buns, 2 low buns. Although I'm feeling this fro, I would just totally leave my hair like this, but I know realistically throughout the week I'm not gonna keep up with it, so I won't do that. Maybe I'll do another wash and go using these new gels. So I'm gonna use this one today. I showed you this in my last product video. I think that I'll try a wash and go sometime soon with these new gels. But so I totally forgot in my last product video that I did, I totally forgot to show you guys 2 things that I made. So I made King a sleep oil, and I remade some of our hair oil. And I made King a sleep oil because his sleep has been all messed up. This it's either molars or it's the 2-year-old sleep regression, or it's a combination of the both of those. So yeah, I made that to help him out, some good sleepy time oil. So I'll put that video in here maybe right now. Oh okay, if you've ever smelled German chamomile, it smells horrible. And I scratched my face with this bottle open right next to it, so I can do this on camera because it's a smaller bottle. I don't have to hold it with my legs. But if it will ever come out, I actually don't know how much is in here because this is an old one that I've had I got a lot in here. Come on out. This is an old one that I've had for a while, but come on. I'm gonna put some cedar wood. That's for you, Pooty Pooty. Oh, and my carrier oil's in here. A little bit of olive oil. And that's plenty. I'm just talking and not paying attention. And hemp seed oil. And lavender, of course. For sleepy time, lavender is the goat. So I'm gonna do the most of them, obviously. But this is a small bottle, so I'm not doing anything too much. And because I'm not, you know, measuring anything, if this does end up being a little too strong, I will just put some oil in my hand and then spray this in my hand, you know, mix this into some other oil. So even if my dilution ratio is like not the best, it'll be okay in the end. Okay, just a few of these. This is Copaiba. This just kind of makes everything else stronger. I use this in a lot of, not a lot, just a lot of some other mixes. So okay, there we go. Smells good. This is Kingy's sleep oil. Hopefully it helps us help him with his sleep. So I'm also gonna show you how I made this. How I made this hair oil. This time I used some different carrier oils. In here, I already put them in there, but I didn't put my essential oils in there. So there was already, I know I used last time, avocado oil and olive oil. This time I used olive oil, hemp seed oil, and Jamaican black castor oil. So that's why it's such a dark color. Use lavender. Oh, by the way, when I make products, I eyeball everything. So I have no measurements for you. Definitely try to recreate it. I've just been doing this for such a long time that I don't measure anything. But I think when I was first starting out, I probably did. I've just been doing this kind of stuff for years. So I just do what feels good. I'm doing some ginger root. And I think I called this like my hair growth oil, but realistically, like just for like a healthy scalp, healthy hair, whatever you really want to call it. Hair oil. It has more things in it than I would like put on skin, essentially. We'll do some peppermint next. So lavender, ginger, peppermint, cedar wood, rosemary next. And last but not least, tea tree. I'm gonna throw that in there. That's the last of the oils that I'm putting in here. So I put this in my hair before I washed my hair, kind of like a pre-poo, because I didn't really pre-poo, because like I said before, because I did the co-wash, I felt like I didn't really need to. I don't really know. Maybe I should still pre-poo. But, so yeah, I put this in my scalp, and I put it on the ends of my hair. And then right now, I'm just gonna put it on my scalp, just like every so, like, you know, everywhere. And then I'll just kind of massage it in there. I'm like so digging my hair right now. I like kind of don't want to do anything to it, but that's because it's still damp and it's not gonna stay this way. I'm gonna put some more oil in the front just because this is where my hair is usually the driest, like on the edges, the perimeters. Okay. So now I'm gonna just, I didn't rub it in all the way. I'm just gonna break it in half. Like when I washed it, I did it in halves, just because that like makes it a little bit easier, I feel like, for me, because my hair is so thick, to make sure like the whole thing gets really clean. Kind of same idea. I just want to make sure. Well, I'm gonna detangle it. So this is just water. I'm gonna do the LCO method with my hair, which is just which is just liquid cream oil. The liquid is water, cream is this leave-in conditioner, oil is my hair oil. So I'm not, because I just did my scalp, I'm not gonna go in and like do my scalp all over again, like every single time or anything like that. I'm just gonna spritz with water. Not even crazy. I mean, my hair is not really wet. It's like barely even damp, but I can still feel the moisture in it. You know what I mean? So nothing crazy. I don't want to be dripping everywhere. But liquid, get my leave-in, there's my cream. And this is like a light leave-in. I'm gonna show you the next time I get some on my hand, how it is. And then I'm gonna move all these brushes. And then like literally just a couple drops. Because I work in pretty small sections, I don't really need a lot. And then because my hair is not like horrible condition right now, like not crazy tangled up, I can do some finger detangling. I'm hoping that this detangling session takes me no more than an hour. Let's see how long my hair is. Okay, I kind of like, so lately I've been like low-key feeling like I want to straighten my hair, which I have not done it since 2018. And I went to a salon, and this was like when I used to get my relaxers, when I, like from back in the day, and when I like went and had a sew-in for a few years. That was my lady. Like, she didn't do my sew-ins, but she did, you know, my relaxers and my hair before I did the sew-ins. Like, she's my go-to, like, since I was a child. And she's all the way in New York, so I mean, it's kind of a hike, which is why, you know, I kind of stopped doing that. Plus, I started doing my own hair, stopped doing the lashes and stuff like that. Oh, so let me show you this really fast. This is the consistency. It's pretty runny, so you can tell there's a lot of water in it, which I'm cool with. I'm feeling it. But yes, back to my hair. So, like, they're a very high quality salon. I got heat damage off of that one time of straightening my hair. You know, I'm pretty sure it's just like they use high heat stuff, like high heat with the blow dryer, then high heat, of course, with the flat iron. Let's do it. I really like this gel so far. What sucks is I haven't seen this. What does it smell like? Like melon? I haven't seen this gel at the store, at Target, because that's pretty much where I go. I seen the other one that I bought, the other like gel that's not as strong of a hold at Target, but not this one. Where's my brush? I don't love it. I don't love it, but I don't know if what is that? I will have to fix that. I'm gonna do this side just because I'll come back to the other one. But yeah, I'll show you my results as my thumbnail most likely. So we'll see how it goes. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Cause your mom is a little cutie boy.